To construct a square inscribed in a circle, what we're going to do is we're going to draw the diameter of the circle, and we're going to bisect the diameter, and then the two diameters we've created will be the diagonals of the square that's inscribed in the circle. So to start off, we're going to draw the diameter, and then we're going to bisect the diameter. So we're going to use the two endpoints of the diameter, and we will bisect that, doing the perpendicular bisector construction. Once you've done the arcs, you're just going to connect the arcs, and it should go right through the center of the circle. Once you've done that, you have these points on the circle that are the end points of the two diameters that you have drawn in the circle, and you will connect those endpoints together. And then you have constructed a square inscribed in the circle. The reason why it's a square is because since these are the diameters of the circle and they are the diagonals of the square, we can see that those diameters and the diagonals of the square are congruent. Since those diameters are made of radii, we know that these diagonals bisect each other, which makes this a parallelogram with the diagonals bisecting each other. The diagonals being congruent makes it a rectangle. And since we did the perpendicular bisector construction, we know that these diameters are perpendicular, which makes it a rhombus. So it's a parallelogram because the diagonals bisect each other. It's a rectangle because the diagonals are congruent. And it's a rhombus because the diagonals are perpendicular. And since it's all three things, it's a square.